Hi, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another new video. Today I wanted to go over some posing tips for you guys. The reason why I wanted to make this video was because posing and directing people is something that I get commonly asked about. A few days ago on my Instagram story, I did a poll where I listed 4 different options, and posing was definitely one of the options that had a lot of votes. So I wanted to make this video just to try to help some of you guys with posing and directing your subjects. More or less 7 tips on how posing models can feel natural. I really wanted to teach you guys kind of the way that I do things in my personal work that help direct the subject to fit the scene. So before we get in the video, real quick, if you guys are new here, my name is Skyler I am a freelance photographer here in Los Angeles. I'm 26, I moved to LA when I was 22, and I've been loving every second of living out here. I'm originally from Indiana, and that is where I started doing my photography. I have 12 years of experience now. I'm very blessed and very fortunate to say that I do photography full time. So in my free time, I make videos like this to help you guys get to a point where you could possibly be doing photography full-time as well. So tip number 1, I would say, is to assess the mood board and the styling. The overall theme and styling of the photo shoot will influence the type of poses that will feel natural and cohesive. For example, like a high fashion photo shoot. That might call for more structured poses, while a lifestyle shoot, which is what I would consider this photo shoot that we did for this video, might benefit more from relaxed posing and more candid shots. So these are kind of the poses that I was thinking, just like super lazy, really chill. They fit kind of with the environment we're in. So I think like the guardrails right there, we can just kind of be like lazy on them like this. And yeah, just kind of interact with the environment. Even like on that corner right there with the lighting. That might be kind of sick. We can start there, yeah. Tip number 2, I would say, is to create a relaxing environment, and that can mean a lot of different things. In this video specifically, the model is my buddy Isaac, so we have already kind of established a friendship, and we are able to feel relaxed while we shoot photos. You probably have seen Isaac on before. He's a great model. He also freelances, so if you guys need models, definitely hit him up. But yeah, tip number 2, definitely just get to know your subject before you guys shoot. That could be a FaceTime, that could be a coffee before, or before you guys get shooting on the actual day of the shoot, sit and talk for a little bit. I think that definitely does help ease the whole flow of the photo shoot itself. I feel like being more relaxed with it too. Like you could even like, yeah, I like that. That looks dope. All right, I'm gonna get in a little bit closer already. I'm liking this. Boom. Zoom out and punch in. I like look back up like how you did. It was more kind of like directly up. Yeah, like that. Like kind of an emotion with it. Okay. Yep, right there. 3, 2. Yeah, that looks sick. Okay. Nice. Let's have you come off the guardrail now. Let me shoot one on here. Wait till the next camera I get. We're gonna be shooting again. I'm buying a new one soon. Can't disclose the information though. All right, let's see what this is doing. All right, bet. So let's do a pose like where you're like a little bit crossed like this. And I think tilt your chin down. See what that looks like. 3, 2. Okay, sick. Tip number 3, I would say, is to encourage some movement. Poses definitely don't just have to be static. You can create emotion and movement in your poses. And I know that sounds very basic and cliche. However, it is super important that you and your subject understand that motion definitely helps the flow of the photo shoot. In fact, some of the best shots come from capturing small and natural movement. I always encourage my models to shift their weight, walk slowly to or away from the camera. These little movements can bring so much life to your photos. And I think for this posing, maybe you could have your hands like up here, and let me just see what that looks like. Like something, yeah, just something, yeah. But like a full body, that's so weird. And lean into it. Yeah, yeah, should look sick. Yeah, just like that, that's sick. 3, 2. Yeah, let me grab a close-up of it though. This is how it is. I know, turn this way too. There we go. Yeah, stay just like that. 3, 2, okay. Okay, shoot a couple more. What about up on that dock? You could hop up there? I'm feeling like, lean on this corner, or like be on this corner somehow. Lean with your back a little bit, yeah. Just like that, it looks so sick. 3, 2, nice. Grab one this way. 3, 2, 1, okay. Sick. Got that. Go ahead and stay up there. Or maybe like, even to just spice up the photography itself, like just some weird shit like this. Nah, you're looking out more. Okay, all right. Tip number 4 is to pose in fluid motions. Once you've locked in a great pose, so you guys have already started shooting, you guys have found a pose that works great for you and the model, encourage your model to make slight movements after each shutter click. If they don't know that already, based off of their experience, it does help to move after every time you hear the shutter click on the camera. That way it's good timing for you getting different angles, and it's good timing for the model to kind of understand when the shot's done and they can move, as I'm like moving as I'm talking about this, but the model can also move fluidly off of the shutter sound. I think that's super helpful, and that tends to happen a lot on my photo shoots as well. Let's have you go up against the gate actually, just to give you something to like interact with. Yeah. All right, and here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, love that. Yep, it's a good switch up. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Yep, perfect. And 3, 2, 1. Sick. Okay, that was fire. Let's turn maybe this way. I see some side light on you, about right there. I think it look right into the lens. Insane, bro, insane. This lighting right now. Okay, so pull the bandana down a little bit, and then we'll get you these little ears out, kind of create some symmetry. There you go. All right, so then looking right here in the lens, chin down just a tad. Yeah, like that. 3, 2, and we'll do one more, kind of like, oh yeah, we look over this way now. Yeah, just like that. 3, yep, stay just like that, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna get a wide shot. You stay there, I'm gonna get it back here. All right, and 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2. Okay, crossing over. We grab this other camera. Okay, all right, cool. So stay right there. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hell yeah. Maybe like hold your hands back like that and try to lean into me a little bit. 3, 2. So tip number 5, I would say, is to use props. A lot of the time in my photo shoots, I have my subjects wear sunglasses, jewelry, some more accessories, usually some crazy hats or some sort of piece that they can interact with. It helps them feel more engaged with the photo shoot. It takes the pressure off from them looking directly into the lens. They have something to mess with. Just use these tips as you will, but I think they're all super helpful in all things that I have implemented in my photo shoots. Come on this side real quick. Could you crouch right here? Like, you don't have to hang anything off, just like come down. Okay, here we go. 3, 2. That felt good. And let's have you do one looking off. 3, 2. Yep, and look back down how you were. Look to your left. 3, 2, 1 more. Looking right here, chin down. 3, 2, 1. 1 more. Just look straight ahead of you. Okay, and then bring a hand here. Yep, right there. Okay, fire. Those felt weird. Felt sick. Let's hit the other spot, which don't know where, but we'll find it. Tip number 6 is to encourage poses from the mood board. I think this is a great way to take pressure off of your model. Having a reference pose, like something that they can look at and just kind of mimic, gives your model a great starting point, which can also help them feel more confident. From there, you can build off that pose and try different variations, making the process much more collaborative and creative. All right, got a few shots left on this. Yeah, like that. Chin down just a little. Yep, right there. And let's give this a try. 3, 2, and... Sounded all right. 30th of a second, which that's a little slow for this thing. All right, let's switch this way. Hold on, you stay over here. Wait, you stay right here. Give me a sick BMW coming. Yeah. So give me a hard ass pose, bro. Yep, 3, 2, hard. We'll see.
Oh shit.
Yeah, fingers crossed as fuck.
Fingers crossed. Grace to God, baby.
Because, man, film be like that. It's like,
No, that was perfect.
you never know. You know what, man? Sometimes you just gotta wait for life to come to you, you know what I mean? Watch the shot be like, not even, not even it. All right, so we shot like a little over half of PORTRA 400. Now we're gonna go PORTRA 800 because it's darker out, so we need a faster ISO, which means you can get a faster shutter speed. So that's what we're doing.
Ooh.
Boom. So this has 11 shots left. I think what we'll do is throw the flash on, which I don't do this very often, but my Canon speedlight actually does work on the Mamiya, which is funny enough, but I guess just because it's a hot shoe or a cold shoe, hot shoe mount, it'll give it power. So we'll try some shots on that. I have EKTAR 100 in the medium format, so that's 100 ISO. So that is literally made to be shooting in pure daylight. So that's why I'm bringing the flash on to try to make up for that. Okay? Yeah, no, yeah, it could be cool. And put them on, and let me see how those look. Yeah, that's sick. Okay, cool. We'll work with that. I know it's a little dark, but we'll make it make sense. I'm gonna shoot it from over this way. So I think looking over here, and we're gonna give it a shot. And here we go. 3, 2, okay, nice. Yeah, I just feel like a close-up right here is looking fitting. Let me go this way. Yep, like that. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Oh, that was slow. I don't know, we'll see. Lean against this pole. Shoot, I think, yeah, a profile view looking straight is super sick. Nice. Got that. You will wait for these cars, but I might have you just stand right in the middle of this intersection. Here we go, 3, 2, okay. That was it. That was it for the 120 roll, at least. So, crush that. Appreciate you, bro. Tip number 7, which is a huge one to me, is to show the model the photos as you guys are shooting. I feel like not enough photographers do this, and I do feel like it is a very helpful way to keep the process collaborative, and it keeps the model feeling good about themselves. A lot of models know their angles, and as the photographer, if it's your first time shooting with them, you might not know their angles, so I think it's super important to be showing them the images as you guys are going through the photo shoot. This helps them understand what you're trying to capture as the photographer. It also helps them understand how their body looks on camera, and where they might want to make personal adjustments. It's a great way to build confidence and to ensure that you guys are on the same page during your shoot. And I know I said I had 7 tips for you guys, but I actually got one more. The 8th tip here is to stay open to the spontaneous moments that might happen during your photo shoot. If you're walking in a neighborhood and you see something that wasn't really planned and you want to go shoot there, you need to do it. You need to trust your creative intuition. Some of the best shots really happen when you least expect them. No matter where you're at shooting, there's always something that might catch your eye, or something that is different than the mood board, or something that is different than what you intended on shooting that day. But if you see it, you like it, you need to go and do it. And there's 7 tips for you guys, plus a little bonus tip at the end there. And I made this video just so you guys can help your models feel more natural in front of the camera. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more photography tips. I'll have some more coming your way soon. If you guys have any of your own posing tips that you feel like I might have left out, or you just wanted to add, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I definitely will be checking those out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm trying my best to stay consistent. I do photography full-time. Doing these videos is a side hustle, and I'm loving every second of it. It's just the seconds that I have to spare. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. I have a couple more videos coming this month. I'm really excited to get those out to you guys. I just want to teach photography. The more that I do these YouTube videos, the more that I get fired up about digital, film, all sorts of photography, lighting, posing, everything that comes with it. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.